Hello colleagues. Today we are launching an SEO startup. This will be a project with a large number of functions that can be both sold and given free of charge, monetizing the site by displaying ads. We will also analyze which functions are useful, and which are more for beauty and covering the range of functionality. We will buy some ready-made scripts for the SEO of a startup, and launch it on our domain. In my case, I haven't updated my main site shopexpertfy.com for a long time, which was meant to be a collection of tools and useful features. In other words, I buy a project for myself and for you. In one of my previous videos, I told you how to buy a finished project. I even bid on an auction for an SEO project. Be sure to see what came of it. I proceed from the fact that many of the project's functions have long been implemented by tens of thousands of programmers. For sure there will be someone who wants to sell these functions in finished form or in some kind of solution kit. The logic is simple: go to the Code Canyon website, type in the keyword tools, and see what we are offered for buy. I talked about the principles of selecting scripts for buying in my other videos, so we will not stop here. The main selection criteria in our case are only one criterion: usefulness for the users of my site. Perhaps even for some of you who are watching this video. In fact, 3 solutions were chosen, which we will analyze. Sumo SEO Tools, online SEO tools script, offers over 50 SEO tools. It covers not only SEO tools but also tools that can give some new ideas in SEO activities. Features that were of interest to me. YouTube Trend shows YouTube trends for the specified country and language. It is not very clear how the language is used, and whether it is used, but the functionality is interesting for possible internal use. YouTube Tag Generator generates ideas and keywords around the keyword entered by users. Article Rewriter gives basic text rewriting. It is unlikely that the result is better than the work of the Quillbot.com project, but users could be interested. Also, this function can be used in various automation if you understand how it works. Keyword Suggestion Tool, also applicable in use, gives suggestions of related keywords and phrases for the key phrase you need. The functionality of this project is more related to SEO for YouTube. Many tools provide basic information on a topic, but they are not enough to make the user satisfied. For example, Google Index Checker or Google Cache Checker or Domain Authority Checker. I would like to see more detailed reports. The project has a lot of interesting features, but most of them would be useful for some kind of complex analysis of the user's site. In this form, the project is supposed to collect users on specific tools. Atas SEO Tools. They offer a set of over 50 tools. Among the various useless tools like Word Counter or Online MD5 Generator, there are also those that Sumo SEO Tools has. But I would be interested in using the following. Plagiarism Checker is a plagiarism checker. The logic of the technical solution is not very clear. It would be interesting to see how it works from the inside and whether it makes requests to external servers. Keyword Position Checker is a search results checker for a specific domain. That is, it determines the position of the site for some key requests. It can be useful for people involved in SEO optimization. Although most professionals have been using more complex solutions like SEMrush for a long time. A link to SEMrush will be in the description. Keyword Density Checker shows the frequency of keywords for the specified site. Yes, Webmaster Tools from Google can do this, but here you can choose any project and compare it with your own. Backlink Maker creates basic references to the entered website on the internet. That is, it creates on the internet the main backlinks to the user's website. From my latest knowledge of the SEO industry, there is an understanding that not all backlinks are useful for the website. But, these are neutral website backlinks that will not interfere with your users. Link Analyzer, analysis of links from the website page. It allows you to analyze the internal linking of the pages of the site. The tool is simple, but SEO specialists can use it to check the structure of the site. XML Sitemap Generator is a tool that crawls your site for the pages that the site displays to users. After scanning, an XML file is created that the user can save as a file and send to Google Webmaster. That makes it easier for Google to find out what pages are on the site. On poorly promoted sites, Google is lazy, and it takes a long period until Google finds out about some internal pages of the site. Of course, it is better if the developer creates such a file based on understanding the structure of the site. I know a lot of cases when such tools were used. Atta's SEO tools have many other tools that are more suitable for the SEO industry. So, for my search criteria, this project is more suitable. Turbo Website Reviewer, in-depth SEO analysis tool. This is just a comprehensive analysis of the site for its various SEO shortcomings. This project uses some tools from previous projects, but the user does not need to go into each tool and check if it is good for him. At the end of the check, problem areas of the user's site are highlighted and a hint is given about what the user should do with the site to fix this problem. This project is more suitable for providing a comprehensive service to the user and selling the service. That is, the buy and installation of this project will be more like a SaaS startup, for which you can make some money. Although many free similar tools on the internet do such a comprehensive SEO analysis. I note that all three projects have licenses that are rather strange for me, which do not allow you to charge for the use of these functions. How this is regulated is not very clear. I think there will be no problems if you buy a project under the regular license and add your payment system with the help of the developer. What do you think? I decided to stop at Atta's SEO tools. At the time of the creation of this video, I could not update my website. Russians are destroying the energy infrastructure of Ukraine. But I'm sure that when you watch this video, the described tools will be on my site. Also, gradually, new features will appear. Come in and use them. If you want your site to be at the top of Google and make money, like this video. Peace.